Okay, sir. Can you introduce yourself, sir, for record purpose?
I'm Eze Ikem W. Amat, the Ezim of Isolo, Lagos, the chairman of Ndieze Udo in Lagos State, the Vice President General of Ndieze Ibonozu.
Eze, sir, can you tell us why we are here today?
Why we are here today is to say goodbye to my mentor, the Ezim of Lagos State, Eze Mkpume second, Eze Highset, OON, the founder of Ndieze worldwide.
What can you tell us about Eze Ohazirike?
Eze Ohazirike is a very good man. When I was Prime Minister, he paid for transport to all members. He cooked for everybody, every meeting. He gives them things to drink. He gives them one, and he paid their transport money coming and going back. And he had a lot of privileged human beings.
Yes, as regards the legacies of Ohazirike, which you have narrated, what lesson are we learning from that, and what advice do you have for Ndigbo?
The advice I will give to the Igbos is to emulate Ohazirike's lifestyle, to learn how to help others and to love the Igbo race, and to keep the Igbo culture in Nigeria. Because when your culture is dead, you are no more in a business.
No, sir, this is official conclusion of the burial rites.
Yeah.
As far as the last Ofala is concerned,
Yeah.
what is next step for the Ndieze in Lagos State?
The next step of Ndieze is we are going to, after his last Ofala, we have to mourn him for 1 year before we start discussing his procession. Someone to replace him. But I tell you, Pop and Slade, it will be very, very difficult for any other person to put his leg in Ohazirike's shoe in this world in Lagos.
Thank you very much.